Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I have one tricky question, and I was trying to figure out how to compute this question in the most efficient way without losing too much time, and that's why I've decided, and at the end I found it and I've decided to share it with you too. And the question says that from the words, this is the built-in dictionary within the stringr library, and we can just see what are the words. That there are too many words that we can see here, and what we want to test here is to find out the words ending with the with vowels. The vowels, if I'm not mistaken, are these ones, right? A, E, I, O, U. So I hope I didn't miss any of the vowels. If I missed, just I'm so sorry. Well, the first one what we do is to see the use the view string view. It's a function within the package that I've mentioned before. Uh, the string R package. Actually, it's a very interesting package, like to manipulate, to analyze the text and sentiments, and well, you'll like it. And our string is like the in the string we need to write what is the our text. Well, our text is the vector which contains a lot of words, and we will find out the words which are ending with the vowels, right? And the next one we need to do is to find the pattern. To find this pattern, like we will find out the words that ending with vowels. Kinda, I'm not. I'm not able to find now that verse. Well, however, you'll find it by your own. Like, actually, we are here for finding it in the most efficient way, so we don't need to find here. So, the pattern is what we are going to write is going to be this one. This means that the get the words which has this set of characters, and we are just pasting inside this set of the characters, and we want the last word, like the ending characters, the words are ending with that. So that's why we are adding the dollar means the ending in the text mining, and we write the match true. You can't just skip match true for this one, but for the next one you'll need that, and you actually get all of this, all right? And for the next question, this part was a little bit tricky because we have only 5 vowels, but uh, we would have a lot of consonants that we are not able actually to write all of them, correct? And the logically, if we are excluding the vowels, we will only left with the consonants, correct? And since the words doesn't have any other special meta characters, so we have uh, the consonants ending, the words which are ending with a consonant, correct? So that's why what we are doing is to write the string view, the same technique that we have used for the consonant. Actually, let me do the next slide. I'm just copying and pasting it here. The only thing what I'm changing is to change it to the false. Is it? You have the words which doesn't match with the words ending with the vowels. Have a nice day.